Welcome to Lunch with Doug, Season 5, Episode 184. I'm your host, Dangerous Doug Harper. Today's show is brought to you by these wonderful people. J&R Homestore. Find what you're looking for at 118 West Walnut, Nevada, Missouri. Jim's Roadhouse, the area's #1 hotspot, 705 North Osage, Nevada, Missouri. Wnek Contracting, the right fit for you, 684-7330. And the second Edittion Shoppe, help stretch your dollar at 616 East Walnut in Nevada, Missouri. Here I am. What's up? How are you? I'm Dangerous Doug Harper. I'm your fabulous, lovely, and talented, and jumping around, eyes watering, not ready for the camera host. It is lunchtime. Thank you. There it is. Thank you for spending your lunchtime with me. I'll get lost with my camera. Seriously, my eye is totally watering. We went on location with Eddie Wnek, one of our sponsors, and he installed some a new, I don't even know what it's called, but a new device in a toilet stool. So you get hands-on excitement, and here's what happened and with Eddie while we went on location. So let's check that out right here on Lunch with Doug. So you'll have to tell us what you're doing. Give us the what was that guy? The Bob Vila. Give us the Bob Vila here.
The Bob Vila. You're just draining the tank right now so you can replace the insides.
So what are you going to do here with this thing?
Rebuild the entire tank. Put everything all brand new in it.
Nice. What will this end up doing?
Yeah, so we have multiple flush settings. Small flush, big flush, all pretty cool system. Electronic
in the tank, is that it? Is that even possible?
Battery powered.
Battery powered? Does it play music too? Is it like Bluetooth?
No, it's not like those new Japanese ones that they have.
So what are you doing right now?
I am just disconnected the water.
Okay.
And then I have to undo the tank bolts, which are very, very small down there. And hope that it doesn't twist.
Well, that's cool. Well, while you're doing that, I'm gonna tell them about you.
All right.
We'll be back after this.
Wnek Contracting is licensed in Vernon County and will be happy to give you a free estimate on any of your handyman repair or construction needs, all the way up to full remodeling jobs for your residential or commercial property. Call Wnek Contracting today at 417-684-7330. Text or message them and find them on Facebook.
Wnek Contracting, the right fit for you.
We're back on Lunch with Doug with Eddie Wnek, draining and unbolting the, what do you call that, the
tank.
clink.
Yeah, the tank back here.
So say somebody wants to do this job. What kind of cost is involved here? If somebody wants you to fix their stool here, replace their insides.
Material, it's only about $30 in materials for the fancy electronic one, and $20 materials if it's just a standard rebuild. Isn't too bad. That gives pretty much a completely. The only thing that's still the original toilet would be the porcelain.
And porcelain's pretty much just never goes bad, does it?
It can if you crack it.
But only if it gets cracked, huh?
Yeah, only if it gets cracked. Otherwise, the porcelain will be good forever. I know people who have toilets that are lime green from the 60s still in their house.
Huh. So how often should you change the insides of what you're doing today?
Pretty much as needed. Right. Well, it's one of those things, if they're working, they're working. If they're not, then you have to fix it.
Sure.
Already. Cleared your tank.
And that's what it looks like inside. Now what are we going to put in this here?
We are putting one of these. Dual flush system.
Cool.
In most of these, you don't have to take the whole thing apart, but this one has an older parts set that you can't just put the thing in, so you have to replace the middle in this one. But majority of them, you do not have to take the whole tank off.
Okay.
Save a trip to the mall and experience 2 stores in one with a huge selection and variety of unique trending clothing and products. Bells and Bows in the second edition shop is just what you've been searching for. Men's, women's, and children clothing for the entire family. Melissa and Doug toys, baked goods, home decor, and so much more. Bells and Bows in the second edition shop are located in the heart of the historic East End shopping district. Shop at 616 East Walnut, across from the White Grill in Nevada, Missouri.
Dangerous Doug Harper back with you on Season 5, Episode 184 here at Lunch with Doug. And lots to tell you about. We're going to talk about Music on the Square coming up, opening season coming up just about a week away from that. Big show this Thursday I'll be playing at Jim's Roadhouse. All that's coming up. I'm going to tell you all about that, but I got to mention some more about one of our lovely sponsors and what they've got going on each week down there at Jim's Roadhouse. Tuesday, midweek margarita, signature margaritas, $4 each. Drink specials, open pool, and like I said, smokers are welcome. That is going on from 8 p.m. till midnight. That's awesome. And they have different flavors of margaritas down there. Of course, they have raspberry. I tried one of their raspberries, and it's awesome. They have regular, and then I'm not sure what else. I think they have strawberry as well. I could be wrong, but anyway, they have a couple different choices there. But like I said, the raspberry seems to be the one that sticks with me because I like raspberry, of course. Then Wednesday, Bottomless Cup with Kendra. Kendra Karaoke. And they have Bottomless Cup from 8 until midnight there at Roadhouse. And then the first of the month they have Wine to K, which is they have karaoke and wine. So wine tasting with Delaney Wine, with Delaney Wine, but that won't be till the first of the month. But they have karaoke night every week, and they also have Bottomless Cup every week. So get down there and hang out. Jim's Roadhouse, 705 North Osage, Nevada, Missouri. On Friday they have Home of the Midnight Dance Off. DJ Fitness is out there on Friday, whether he's there in person or in the clouds. It's where you gotta be. Every Friday, Jim's Roadhouse, TGIF. Love it. Live it. Dance off at midnight. Right there. That's what's happening at Jim's Roadhouse, just in general. But then remember that we haven't talked about that yet, but we're going to talk about it. I have a show there this week, and that's coming up. So Thursday night. But getting us through this week, it is National Dance Week, so you'll have to come down and dance to my songs, whether you can dance or not. Come down and dance to the dangerous sounds of myself, Dangerous Doug. A dangerously authentic and unforgettable musical journey. It will begin at Jim's Roadhouse this Thursday night, April 26th, 8 to midnight. It's a bona fide music show, and I'll be recording a new album there. So I'm playing some new songs, just me and my guitar, and I'll have a producer, Jason Muma, will be in the house, and he'll be recording that, and we're going to release that. And so that will be coming out later, where all music is sold. You can pick that up. So how cool is that? Yes, I know you're excited. Don't miss it. Come out Thursday night and hang out with me. Celebrate what's coming up. Just celebrate. All right, I'm going to tell you about Music on the Square, but not yet. I have to take a break. We'll be back more from Lunch with Doug, coming up.
Are you ready for your time? Be a superhero tonight. Jim's Roadhouse, where the superhero of laughter hangs. Open daily on North Osage Boulevard in fabulous Nevada, Missouri. Drink responsible, designated driver.
Hey guys, Dangerous Doug Harper back with you on Lunch with Doug, and that's Kimra right there. She's coming out. She'll be performing performing acoustic at Music on the Square this year, so I'm going to tell you about that coming up, and then she'll also be playing a show at Roadhouse. Now that's a ways off, that's in July, so just something just to kind of tease you a bit about. But coming up, Music on the Square, that is what the hot event is this week. And it is going to kick off this week. Music on the Square kicks off this week, downtown Nevada, Missouri, from 6 until 8 p.m. Sorry, I said this week. This Thursday is my performance at Roadhouse. Next week, there we go. A week from Thursday. I'm all confused. I'm getting all excited about all this music rolling out. It will be May 3rd, is when Music on the Square will start, will begin. So, that's coming up. BJ Pruitt's going to be there. It's an acoustic duo for him. David Bowerly will be his lead guitar player. And we're going to have that national anthem with Cassie Morehouse. So that is coming up. It's going to be really, really an awesome opening night, 6 to 8 p.m. on May 3rd. So don't miss that on the Nevada, Missouri Square, on the courthouse, south side of the courthouse like always. Lots of fun. And May 10th, it's to be announced. May 17th, Josh Mullen from Joplin will be in town. That's going to be awesome. Cassie Morehouse will be back on the 24th for a show. The whole night of her singing some pop and country songs. The 31st of May, to be announced. Then the 7th of June, of course, is Bushwhacker Week. And then there's more coming up. Celestia will be here at Christian Rock Band this year from Anderson, Missouri. That's going to be exciting. And then to be announced the rest of the month there in June. But July 12th will be Kimra. And then that's all I've got to tell you right now. So all this is available. Find out more about this at the website, at the Facebook for Music on the Square. Facebook.com /music on square. If you get music on the square, you'll get another town that does a similar event. Ours is Music on Square. Facebook.com Music on Square. So go check that out and learn all about music on the square and everything that's happening downtown Nevada.
Was that a big one or a small one?
That's the biggest. You have to pretty much kind of adjust them when you see fit, how much you want to flush and don't flush.
Well, Eddie, I think it's gonna work out. It looks pretty nice. It seems to be all right.
Yeah, it seems to work really good.
Hopefully, we'll save some water.
Yes. Those half flushes will definitely save some water.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks a lot for coming out, joining us today, spending your lunchtime with me. I will be back again soon. Until then, please go like my Facebook page. Get a chance to win $50 whenever we sell 50 CDs, which we're drawing for that on May 1st. So that's coming right up around the corner. And also, while you're in the Facebook land, don't forget to like us here at Lunch with Doug. Guys, I'm out, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks again for spending your lunchtime with me.